Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on IQST, or we can say IQSTEL stock. So in this video we are talking about its share prices, news, updates, analysis and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very important and informative. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for first time, please subscribe our channel and also press bell icon for future update. The IQST stock having some news is that IQST execute term sheet for 60 billion million dollar in strategic financing. So IQST, it was one of the stock that we covered in our recent videos, and has this was the biggest one in terms of revenue. We thought let have look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them for therefore guessed in the future, the IQST was trading at 0.86 per dollar with a negativity of 4%. So I ended the video.